Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will show you how you can disable shortcut notifications on your iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, also write comments and be sure to subscribe to this channel. So, let's come to our topic. And let's say if there are any label notifications that are bothering you or that you want to disable. I'm going to show you how you can easily do that. To do this, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Then at the bottom in the middle, click on Automate. And then go to the notification that's bothering you. Now you will see this option under the word Automate. And you just need to turn it off. So you will disable the notifications from this shortcut. Remember, after you've done that, in the upper right corner, click on Done so that you can save your changes. This is how you can easily and quickly disable shortcut notifications on your iPhone, friends. I hope this video has been helpful and useful for you. Please, friends, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you soon.